Hello everyone and welcome to yet another episode of Turning Point Stories with Mirchi. सबसे पहले तो इतने सारे हमारे जितने वीडियोस थे उन सभी को आपने इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस दिया, उसके लिए तो यार थैंक यू बनता है। और एक स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट आई थी हमारे ऑडियंस की ओर से कि यार पूजा इतनी अमेजिंग स्टोरीज आप लेके आ रहे हो, तो कुछ अमेजिंग पावरफुल वुमेन की स्टोरी भी अगर आप लेके आओगे तो बहुत मजा आ जाएगा। एंड आई सेड यार व्हाई नॉट, सो दैट्स व्हाई आगे के जो कुछ हमारे एपिसोड्स हैं ये वुमेन सेंट्रिक होने हैं, उनकी स्टोरीज हम जानने वाले हैं। तो आज हमारे साथ में एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं फॉर आवर स्पेशल सेगमेंट टर्निंग पॉइंट स्टोरी वुमेन स्पेशल में वी हैव प्रीति राठी गुप्ता विद अस, जो एक फाइनेंशियल फेमिनिस्ट हैं एंड शी इज आल्सो द फाउंडर ऑफ लक्ष्मी। अब वो क्या है वो सारी कॉन्वर्सेशन हम करेंगे। सबसे पहले हाय लक्ष्मी बोल रही हूँ, देखो मैं तो हाय प्रीति, हाउ आर यू?
Very well, Pooja, and I think Lakshmi is a great name for every woman. So I'm very happy that you call me Lakshmi.
That's so sweet. So प्रीति मुझे बताइए कि फाइनेंशियल फेमिनिस्ट क्या होता है? Like what is it?
Pooja, हम पिछले बहुत सालों से actually हम feminism has picked up so much steam, right? And feminism is essentially about finding equal footing in the world which essentially right now seems lopsided towards men, right? In my career, in my journey, I think over the last 18 and 20 years, I've realized that aapko, for one of the critical things to really find an equal footing is the power of money, is to have and own your power of money. And to me, that is true feminism. यानी आप बहुत चिल्ला सकते हैं, you can be standing on rooftops and saying I'm a feminist, लेकिन उसका real power, अगर आपने अपना मनी अच्छे से मैनेज किया है, आपके पास मनी का पावर है, which essentially means money that you've earned, money that you've grown by way of investing, of doing your financial planning, तो आप true sense में वो feminism practice कर सकते हैं। मेरे experience में मुझे ये समझ आया कि to really be a feminist, you need to be actually a financial feminist. And that's what, that coin is what we termed in Lakshmi as something that every woman must be.
So Priti, I'm sure आपकी जो ये journey रही है उसमें एक ऐसा turning point होगा आपकी life का. So अगर आप वो हमारे साथ share करना चाहें, because that's the whole point of turning point stories. So with the amazing work you are doing, what was that turning point in your life?
So actually there are two very big turning points in my life. The first was, so Pooja, I was married really early. And the first 10 years, I finished my graduation after marriage. And the first 10 years post-marriage, I actually lived the life of a very, very normal homemaker. Dedicated to my in-laws, to my children, to, the husband and, everything that is expected out of a good, quintessential bahu. And I just realized that over the 10 years, I had actually lost my individuality, which essentially meant that I was either known as somebody's wife, somebody's mother, somebody's daughter-in-law, somebody's daughter. And while it's all very nice, but I think as time passes, you realize that, आपने पढ़ाई की है, आपने एक education achieve की है, लेकिन आप उसका क्या use कर रहे हो? और most importantly, what are you doing in this world? What change are you really making? And that's when I realized that one of the things that I need to do is, I'd barely finished my graduation. तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे एक बार वापस I need to go back to education. And I think this is something that I recommend to all my women friends, that take up education or learning at every interval because it opens your mind up. And that's when I went back and I started, a couple of businesses. And that was a big turning point. I went on to really over the next 4 or 5 years be well known within the commodity futures business that I had set up. That was the big turning point for me. And the second big turning point was when I lost my mother. And I lost her when she was very, very young, and I was also very young. And after she passed away, I realized that इतने लोग आके हमें कहते थे कि your mother was such a lovely person and she changed our life in this way, she changed our life in this way. And that made me question and said, what is, she lived a life which was like a legacy. And to me, it was recognition of two things. One, that life is ephemeral. आपको पता नहीं है, कब तक life है. And second, ये कि while you're living is the time to actually, instead of leaving behind a legacy, you want to live your legacy.
तो प्रीति, अभी तक आई एम श्योर इतना सब आपने देखा है लाइफ में, तो ये डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स भी आए होंगे, कुछ दिन जहाँ पे हम टूट जाते हैं, वी फील लाइक एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट not in place and everything is haywire. So how do you handle yourself in those situations? How did you handle it? पहले कैसे किया था और अभी भी आप कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
So I think life is a journey, right? हम सीखते हैं हर एक क्राइसिस से, हर एक फेलियर से हम सीखते हैं. हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम ये, एटलीस्ट माय जनरेशन, कि जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे तो हमें ये सिखाया गया था कि फेलियर इज बैड. You should not fail. If you started something, you should not fail. And this is something that I say to all the, I've met a lot of women when we set up Lakshmi. And most of them said that we don't try and manage our money because we are scared of failure. हमें डर लगता है कि गलत हो गया तो क्या होगा. And I think that is something that my generation lived by. So every time there was a failure, I was, it did break me down. I would feel that, oh my God, maybe I'm not capable of doing this, and I just don't want to face it again. हमारे अंदर एक जिद होती है कि नहीं ये करना है. So I think that एक कोई अंदर की जिद थी कि नहीं ये करना है, don't want to accept this failure and learn from it and do better. But failures, ups and downs happen. I've faced a couple of very, very big crises in my life, and I think those times are very tough. It's easy to crumble, but you find that inner strength and say कि अब ये इससे बुरा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, तो चलो अब इसको बेहतर ही करो. Let's make it better.
So प्रीति, यहाँ पे एक आखिरी मैसेज आप हमारे जितने भी ऑडियंस, हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं, जो हमें आज हमारी ये कॉन्वर्सेशन देखने वाले हैं, उन सभी को एक क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे to keep the right spirit in life?
So I think, Pooja, we are doing this during very difficult times, right? I mean, हमने जिंदगी में कभी नहीं सोचा था कि इस तरह का कोई वायरस होगा that will take over our lives completely. Every time I have a tablet, I cannot marvel at the amount of advancement that medical science has done, right? आपको कहीं दर्द हो, आप एक मेडिसिन, एक टैबलेट खाते दर्द ठीक हो जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ इतने एडवांसमेंट के बाद एक वायरस है जो आपकी लाइफ कंप्लीटली टेक ओवर करे. सो आई थिंक we still, all of us, the entire world lives in that positivity. This will be over someday, right? And I think that's the big learning for all of us, that everything that we face in life, bad times, it will end. It is the positivity that will take us through, that will pull us through. And second, I think just being together. I cannot stress enough on building great relationships, positive relationships, of being there for other people when they need you. So that's my message, and more power to humanity, more power to the world, and more power to women.
Thank you so much, Preeti, once again, and all the very best for all the future endeavors. All the best for Lakshmi.
Thank you, Pooja. It's such a pleasure to be here and talk to you.
Until then, like, share, and subscribe Chili Flakes for more such amazing videos. Stay tuned and stay Kush.